Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, very interesting setup here as we head into Tuesday. And this is a setup that I don't want to come across like nobody else has seen it, or this is some sort of great discovery on my part, or that I have some sort of special talent. Nothing like that. I assure you a lot of people out there that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this pattern. And I make all those comments because when a lot of people are watching the same patterns and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And the pattern here that has now taken place, let me just get this first portion of it and actually change this to green to represent support. But this is the support portion of the pattern. So you can see here that the price going back to Friday has slowly been, sloping upwards, so putting in some higher lows. And then you also have a very stubborn area where the price has been struggling, and that sits right up here at $27.50. So this pattern here that I just drew into play is what would be known as an ascending triangle pattern. Now, it is a bullish pattern, but let me be very clear, just because, and I wish I could say trading was this easy, just because there's a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to be moving upwards. If only it were that easy. However, is it a rational thought to have, to think that, you know what, I could see the price coming up here and then potentially breaking to the upside? Yeah, that is a more than valid, that's a more than rational thought, to have in your mind. Again, doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to happen, but it's not like it would be considered some sort of random thought that has no basis to be there. No, that's a totally valid scenario. So, that's definitely going to be the main battleground to watch right up there at 27.50 in terms of the top portion of that pattern and the resistance area. And then as far as supports are concerned, it's all about that green line right there and staying above that trend line, because as long as the price does stay above that trend line, then the ascending triangle is still totally in play and intact, and that's what you want to see as far as the pattern creation is concerned. But the week is young, only Monday, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.